Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to submit feedback to Appsero. So from your Appsero dashboard, click on the icon on the top right corner. Now go ahead and select a category. Next, set a title of your choice. Lastly, type a message to describe more details. When you're done, hit the Submit button. And that is how you can submit a feedback to Appsero. Check out Appsero for more information on analytics, licensing, and deployment of your WordPress plugins. Also, for any help, email us at support@appsero.com.